In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Calendar with event details. 2025. Step by step. Open your web browser and head to Google. From there, click the Google Apps grid, the small square icon you'll usually find in the top right corner, and choose Calendar. This brings you into your Google Calendar, which is where we'll set things up so your printout includes clear event details. Near the top right of the calendar, next to the settings gear, there's a view selector. Click the small arrow to open the menu and switch the calendar to Schedule View. Schedule View lays out your events in a clean list with times, titles, and key details, which is exactly what you want for a readable printout. You should now see your upcoming events displayed in a chronological list. This makes it easy to scan through and confirm everything looks correct before printing. If something seems off, remember that Google Calendar prints what you see, so staying in Schedule View helps ensure the details appear clearly. When you're ready, click the settings gear in the top right and select Print. A preview window will open with print options on the left and a live preview on the right, so you can see exactly how your calendar will look on paper. First, customize the print range. Set the start and end dates to include just the period you need, whether that's a single week for a meeting packet or a full month for a team schedule. Keeping the range focused helps conserve paper and makes the printout easier to read. Next, adjust the font size. If you're printing a lot of events, a smaller font can fit more onto each page. If clarity is your priority, choose a larger font so times, locations, and notes stand out. Use the preview to confirm that nothing important is getting cut off. If it is, either increase the number of pages by narrowing the date range, or choose a smaller font until everything fits comfortably. Because you selected Schedule View earlier, the printout will include your event details in a straightforward list. This is ideal for agendas, handouts, or reference sheets you can bring to meetings. Once you're happy with the preview, click Print to finalize. In your system's print dialog, choose your physical printer, or select Save as PDF if you want a digital copy to share or archive. If the results aren't quite right, simply return to the print preview, tweak the date range or font size, and try again. That's all there is to it.